Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Julie, nice to meet you. And this video is very exciting for me because I'm repainting my room. I'm so excited. As you can see, it is very bright. It's not my vibe. If you've seen my room in the background in Tallahassee, like my apartment, you can see what kind of look I like in my room. And this room is not it. I designed this room when I was in 7th grade. That's when I was going through my purple phase. Like I was super like obsessed with like purple. And then I just decided to throw in some other colors like blue and green, which yeah, only blue and green, not other colors, just blue and green. But it's not my style anymore. It hasn't been my style for a while. I probably only liked it until like beginning of 9th grade, not even. This time I'm painting, but this room's definitely gonna go through a transformation. We're painting the walls white. We're changing up the colors, getting rid of a bunch of stuff, which I already have, which I'm gonna show you guys now. I kind of want to show you guys the before of the room and everything. So this is where this video is gonna go. Probably gonna be just a little bit of home decor and painting. So let's get on to it. So I don't think I've ever shown you guys my bedroom on this channel because I try to, let me show you where I film. So I usually film in my closet, which the doors are white, and I just close it like so. I don't really try to film here because you can see the polka dots after. I've never showed you guys this, I've never showed you guys like this of my room, which it's very like immature. It's very outdated. The furniture is outdated. We want to get new furniture and everything. I can give you guys a little tour. So obviously you can see over here, it's colored. The walls, let's just start with the walls. My favorite, as I mentioned before, I was obsessed with purple. Purple was like my favorite color, which you will see a lot in this room. We decided to go with a blue up top, purple and green. I feel like if I were still in 7th grade, like 7th grade me loved this. That's when we redesigned my room, but it's no more. And also a lot of the furniture is from when my first room, which was when I was a child, and the top was pink and the bottom was like striped. It was a very cute room, but then I got to 7th grade and decided to do this. So we're changing it up. So as you can see, there's moldings. Oh, I forgot to say, we're painting everything white. White, white, white. I'm very into neutral walls because I also feel like it's just easier to change things. Just doing all white, getting rid of the molding in between, in my opinion, it is a little bit outdated. That's just me. So all this furniture is technically from my first room. Also, sorry the lighting's all messed up. Just the lighting of the wall, it makes the lighting like super weird. And also have this ugly thing. First of all, my furniture is very clunky. I like things that are more minimalist. I don't like big clunks of furniture, and I feel like this is just so much for nothing. So yesterday what I did was I went and like for these past couple of weeks, I've gone through pretty much everything in my room, at least like the dressers and everything, and like the nightstands. Well, I haven't gone through this nightstand, and like my closet, and got rid of like all the old crap. This is like the real tea. There's little baby pictures of me. I'm not gonna have these still up. So then here I have two of these. I have one here and I have one by my door, because before like my twin bed was in the middle like here, and then they were obviously two nightstands next to them. But then I decided I wanted like an open floor plan. Like you can see, like I have a bunch of room on my floor. There's usually a rug here, and also because when I used to dance I used to practice in here. And then matching bed, as you can see, I have these two little shelves. One has trophies, one has like these dolls that my grandma used to get me when she would travel, and I have two other matching shelves. My desk, oh my god, my desk is a mess. That's like the one thing I still have to clean up, and I have a bunch of laundry. I'm gonna show you my desk, and on the side you're gonna see my laundry. This is my desk. It's like, this is usually where like I do my makeup. Oh my god, it's so messy, but it will be clean soon. And I don't think there's like some makeup in here, like random crap. And then I have like these two shelves here, and then these are the curtains and the bedspread match. And then these like curtain rods are from like my first room. We didn't get new ones. So my dreams for this room, I wanna, instead of like getting like a queen mattress, because I don't know what my plans for are after college, but I want somewhere during the summer, like when I'm here to film, and just not feel so young. And also I get a headache when I walk in here. I'm gonna put a hat on because I look so bad in my hair. There we go, that's better. So let's just go to the side. As you can see, so all behind me are trash bags, but this stuff I have to return. But this is all, these trash bags are stuff that I'm donating. This is all the stuff that I've gotten. Hello. Thank you. This is all the stuff that like I'm donating. It's a bunch of things. This is all the stuff I'm donating. This is my memory trunk. It's a little bit dirty at the top, but I'm hoping that a magic eraser will get all the scuffs marks off. And this is like the cube organizer. Had these two things. This is from my dorm freshman year that I didn't bring to my apartment. And I'm also very upset because this was gold and then I painted it rose gold, but now I don't want it rose gold. So now I'm gonna paint it back to gold. That's fun. Behind here is also stuff that I am donating. So it's just donation station up in here. This is the room tour. I have my princess parking only sign, which totally doesn't match my room, but yes, I put above my bed, and I'm probably gonna keep for my future daughter. Right now, everything's clean off the floor, which is good. I still have, again, my desk to clean. So I wanna paint as soon as possible because there's so many things to do with this room. And also, if any of you guys want this furniture, like if you have little siblings or this is just your style, let me know. We're gonna be selling the bedroom set all together, like with the desk, and so there's like a desk, there's a chair, bed, and it doesn't come with the mattress, but the bed frame, the dresser, and the nightstands, and the mirror. So that'll like all come together, or just individually if you want them individually. So if you want them, DM me on Instagram. Love to sell it to you. So that's basically it. So pretty much I'm gonna get into, first thing I'm gonna do is that these trash bags are really bothering me. So I'm gonna like move them into my living room and then start taking stuff down. I'm gonna take the curtains down. I'm gonna take everything down. I'm really excited to have a room transformation because I've been wanting one for so long. Kind of sad. I feel like I'm gonna get more sad as I go through it because I had this room for so long, but it is time for a change. Like, I feel like I can't do anything in here, if that makes sense, like productive, like filming videos. Like I sit in front of my closet. Bye-bye room, taking everything down. Oh, don't pick it. Oh. Ew, 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 no, that's not funny. Okay, as you can see, I've gotten a lot done. At one point, I just stopped filming because my camera was out of storage. I took down my board and pretty much everything from this wall, like everything that's hanging up. I have some nails still stuck in the wall. I took down this. I still have to take that princess parking sign and then that. But honestly, I'm making good progress. This is like the stuff I've taken down, which it doesn't look like a lot, but I haven't really been doing it for that long. I think that's all I'm gonna do for right now. Maybe I'll come back later tonight. I think for now I'm just gonna call it a day and do it tomorrow. If I come back tonight, then you'll see me again. I put a hoodie on because I'm freezing in my room. It's like, feels like negative like 3,000 degrees. It's so cold. I have this pile here of stuff that is either gonna go in my memory boxes, which are in here, like these black things, or I'm gonna have them for my room. So I need to separate that now and move it. I'm gonna move it back to like the top of there because that's where they go. So then I can go to this corner and clear out everything behind my mirror. And then I kind of want to go through this too and move it. Let's get started. It's the next day and you guys saw a little bit what we're doing. We moved everything to the center of the room, took some things out of the room. So he laid tape down. Now he's gonna paper up the floor so nothing gets ruined and then take down these moldings. And the princess sign is still here. The moldings are out. This is like what my old room used to look like. It used to be like pink at the top and then like these pink like and other colored stripes at the bottom. So you can like totally see that. All the moldings are out. They're all like thrown out. They're here. You can see them. But now my dad's just getting the little thing to like spackle the walls to like fill in everything. We're gonna let that dry and then paint, I guess. Giving you a tour before my camera dies. Don't mess up my new room. So my dad spackled all the polka dots. He missed one or two. And all this is the current progress for day one. All the moldings, everything. So then tomorrow we're gonna, oh my god, my face looks so like badly tanned. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna prime and paint and all that, and then the painting will be over by tomorrow, hopefully. Hello everyone, so sorry if my face looks messed up. I'm having a whole self-tanning situation, whatever. So yesterday I remember saying that we were gonna prep like the walls, like prime the walls and paint them today. However, last night we decided to prime the walls last night, so pretty much today is just painting like the white color. As you can see, the primer is on. It looks blotchy because it's obviously the primer, like it's not supposed to be full cover. I'm so tired. You can already see like it's so much like brighter in here. The blue kind of like washed down my skin tone. I do have self tanner on, so maybe that's helping, but I'm so excited to paint the white walls. It's like a really bright white, like white. So hopefully it looks good. I think it will. The white furniture obviously selling that, but today's the last day. Today's the day we've been waiting for. You can see a little bit of the essence. Oh, you can see my shadow. That's what you can see. The essence of the wall, the purple and the blue, like you can see it like in this over here. I was sad a little bit yesterday that I'm happy to get rid of it because it's time. I've been wanting to do it for like years. But it is sad because I had this room for so long, but I'm ready to say goodbye to it. I'm just really excited. I'm excited to have brightness. If it's just my self tan or it's just gonna make me look tan in general, I'm okay with. Since I last talked to you, I have since changed. All we did was, I don't think I put any of it yet, but we just touched up before we painted, and we've been waiting like on the corners and stuff that had like the blue and purple still. And then we waited like 30 minutes for it. It's been 30 minutes, so now we're just gonna paint the regular color. I think I'm in charge of the ceiling, which I hope I don't mess it up. Change into clothes that I don't mind getting dirty. I put my sweatpants inside out. A little painter's trick from, you know, a professional. And then put a hat that I don't, because I have to wear a hat because my hair is so greasy and my whole face is just all suntan messed up. But I just wore my old Bama hat that I'm probably never gonna wear again, so I don't mind getting it messed up. Yeah.
Nope, you're not part of the party.
Ow! Okay, let's paint.
No, I'm never painting your room again. Unless it's in your new house. There's no more creative ideas gonna happen.
Okay, the current progress is the ceiling's painted. It looks kind of like a weird color because it's like a pink color, but then when it dries, it turns white. It's like a special like magic ceiling paint, I think it is. It like looks because like different areas are drying, but it'll all be white when it all dries. I don't know when that is. But my dad is washing out like the painter thing, and then we're gonna start painting the walls white. We'll probably do like 1 or 2 coats. I don't know. But the next thing you'll probably see is us painting.
I vlogged.
Look like you're in one of those movies that, you know, when they're in their dream and they get trapped in a white room and they're just looking around and there's like nothing around. That's what you look like right now.
Cool, I'm a movie star.
That's not the takeaway.
Just let it dry.
Okay.
Let's let it cook.
So we did the first coat. I did this part and like that part too. We painted all. It looks so white in here, especially because of the white furniture. I will not be keeping that for long. I want to give you guys a little update. He even started to paint the door. This side is not painted. Painting this side. I don't want to touch it because I don't want to get in trouble. That's basically what we got done. It didn't take that long to do the first coat. So I don't know if we're doing it tonight or tomorrow, because today when I'm filming this, it's Mother's Day, so we're gonna go spend time with my mom because she finished working. I think the last thing I said was we were gonna do the second coat tomorrow. Apparently I did not get the memo and we are doing the second coat tonight, and I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. It's like 8 o'clock at night. We're like 7, but we're just gonna paint a little bit and then I'll show you guys the finished results. We officially finished painting. We cleaned up all the floors. And then now we're moving everything back to not where it was before, but like to new places. It's not gonna stay permanent, obviously, because I want to get new furniture, but where it's gonna go for now. So it is actually a couple days since we have painted. I just haven't had a chance to show you guys. So I wanted to show you to finish off this first part. So it honestly looks, as you can see behind me, super good. So we repainted the door, everything. We just placed the furniture that I already had at random parts of the room. It's my dirty clothes a little bit. I can't find my laundry basket. We just placed it random places, like nothing like super duper exciting right now. I love it. I love the room. Obviously, I don't like the furniture for this room, but I love the wall color. It came out so good. It's really bright in here. Like, you can just tell the lighting's so much better. Like, you can clearly see my self tan coming off. Yeah, so that is gonna be the end of part 1 for this. So I don't know when the second part's gonna go up, because the second part's gonna be just redecorating everything. So I don't know when, again, the redecorating thing's gonna go up. I'm gonna sell my furniture first. Again, if my furniture is not sold by the end of this time, then you can DM me on Instagram if you want to buy it, if you're in the Miami area. But yeah, that's basically it. I have like one little pillow. I got my old, like a white comforter from my college room that we brought down here for, I forgot the reason, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited that it's painted. It was sad at first because it was going away, but it was time, and like I've wanted to do this for like probably like 2 or 3 years and just never got around to it since I've been in college. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn the post notifications. Make sure you especially subscribe so you don't miss the second part of the room transformation, where I'm redecorating everything and really styling everything. Again, I don't know when it'll be up, but hopefully soon. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.